I don't think they know. That's my word. Yeah, that's my. Hold up.
Big on the stairs, what they said, part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top out, I'm cool on the chit chat. With the kid, know I got the gift pack. Big on the stairs, what they said, part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top out, I'm cool on the chit chat. With the kid, know I got the gift pack.
Keep it real with you, I've been in the field in position. Look, hey, I've been trill, you can tell by how I feel when you with me. Look, wave, tell me, can you slide for a real one?
Slide for me, slide for me.
Can you slide for a real one?
Can you slide for me, slide for me?
Can you slide for a real one? Can you slide for a real one?
Can't tell me nothing, I'm flexing, stunting. Eating all my veggies in my pocket, half an onion. And that pack smell like a funyun. Trump be beating, shit be humming. You can hear me round the corner before you ever see me coming. And they know just how we coming. Hands drumming. She gon' bust it open way before I finish thumbing. I can put you on some paper, proper play, and teach you something. Got my stones on Himalaya, know I'm out your sucker ducking. Ain't no need for that discussion. Bluffing with the game. About to build a couple million, came with nothing but my name. I'ma twist it, flip it, stick it like a bop it. Tell them stop it, all them haters out of pocket. Let me plug it like a socket, baby. Big on the stairs, what they said, part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top out, I'm cool on with the kid, know I got the gift pack. Big on the stairs, what they said, part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top out, I'm cool on the chit chat. With the kid, know I got the gift pack.
Wave, tell me, can you slide for a real one?
Slide for me, slide for me.
Can you slide for a real one?
Can you slide for me, slide for me?
Can you slide for a real one? Can you slide for baby, say I make her nervous. Maybe cause I'm real on the surface. Maybe cause I'm 10 down where the turf is. Don't get lost in those facades on the guys. You know ain't nobody perfect. I just put the work in, I know what my worth is. I'm living lavish, I'm flossing, bossing a bag and up cash off the passion. Out here with my niggas.